Hi everybody, it's Wanda. Okay, so I'm gonna do a monochromatic. I'm gonna use a blow dryer again. Hopefully this one will go pretty fast. I have put a liberal amount of black paint on the canvas. I don't know if you can tell, but smoothed it around with my fingers and it's really on, quite a bit on there. So I'm gonna pour some white and we will see what happens. And hopefully we'll get something cool. There's parts of this I really like. Really like. Paint could have been thinner. I'm always telling everybody to do theirs thin, and then for some strange reason I have a problem. Because it seemed pretty thin to me. So, I kind of like it. I mean, I think maybe I could do a little bit more. I might bring this out a little bit more. I think my blow dryer actually blows better leaning it one way than it does the other, which is weird. I'm not sure about this white streak up through here. I think I may hit it just straight down because there's black under there. See what happens. Okay, I think I'm gonna have to leave it alone, or I'm gonna lose all this lacing, which I do not want to lose. So, there's a lot of black right there. Did you see how that ran? Can't win for losing. Ooh, let's see what happens. This up here is shifting and I really didn't want it to. Right there. Booey. Okay, let me look at it from your perspective. It's pretty thick on there in the middle. But I think I'm gonna have to leave it. Even though I don't like this worm or whatever. I think I'm gonna have to leave it alone because I think the more I mess with it, the more gray I'm gonna get. So, pop some bubbles. I could have used less white, but you never know that until you're in the middle of it. So, I'm going to even out some of this paint up here where it seems to be really thick. See if I can at least get it to the edge of the canvas. And check my edges, and then I'm done. So, thank you for watching. Have a wonderful evening, day, night, and don't forget to make time to have some fun. Somehow, some way, in every day, you need to have some fun. Life is too short to just work and not do anything else. So, thanks so much for watching. Come back and see me and spend some time with me again sometime. Thank you.